Are you looking for a housekeeper job opening in Canada with visa sponsorship? With the necessary skills and experience under your belt, your search ends now. Yes, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. So Canada ranks amongst the top nations for housekeeping roles, offering a variety of settings, including hotels, private residence, and executive offices. Working as a housekeeper in Canada comes with several advantages, such as competitive wages, a high standard of living, access to excellent healthcare and education, and a welcoming atmosphere. In this video, I will share a comprehensive guide to navigating the process of securing housekeeping employment in Canada with visa sponsorship for the year 2024. I will also be listing the employers with the salaries they offer in hiring international workers and offering visa sponsorship for housekeepers in 2024. So I will start by explaining what a housekeeping job means. A housekeeping job is a type of full-time job or part-time job services that involves cleaning and maintaining rooms, facilities, and common areas such as hotels, resorts, lodges, and other hospitality establishments. Housekeepers are responsible for ensuring a high standard of hygiene, tidiness, and guest satisfaction. So with this being said, before you apply, make sure you have some of these criterion, or you have the criterion to be a housekeeper. So, and some of those things include cleaning and sanitizing rooms, bathrooms, and common areas, changing bed linens, and handling laundry tasks. Okay, providing exceptional guest services and addressing guest requests. So you have one-on-one communication with the person you are attending to, and they're reporting maintenance issues and assisting with minor repairs. Also, you'll be managing supplies and inventories. So you should also be very good at managing and all the administrative work, because you are more like the supervisor. Like, you will be taking care of everything around the area. Even if it's in the hospital, you will be taking care of the hospitality and what have you. So how to apply for housekeeping job opening in Canada with visa sponsorship? So some of the criteria are: number one, you draft out your resume and cover letter. So you should tailor your resume and cover letter to each job that you apply for. For example, you highlight your relevant skill, your experience. If you have experiences, you list it out, your achievements and qualifications that matches the job requirements. If you have been on this channel, you understand that I usually talk about how to tailor down your resume or cover letter to match the suitable job you are looking for. So you cannot be looking for a maintenance job or a caregiver job and you are writing for an administrative position or something. There are some keywords you need to use for the job description, and to avoid some grammar errors. So it's always important that you tailor it down depending on the specific job that you are applying for. Then moving forward, you research for the employer. So you should research the employer before applying for the job. You learn about the history, mission, value, culture, and expectations, and this will help you show your interest and enthusiasm for the job and the employer. Okay, so moving forward, you also prepare for the interview. So you should prepare for the interview by reviewing your resume and cover letter, researching common interview questions and answer, and practicing your communication skill. You should also dress professionally. All right, be punctual and be polite and confident during the interview. I don't really want to talk more about this interview part, but I believe that we know the etiquette or things that are expected of us when we want to go for an interview. You don't just dress like you don't care. It's actually a competitive one, so get yourself prepared. So I'll be listing some of the questions that you might also want to know before you apply for this position. So why do you want to work as a housekeeper in Canada? You will be answering those questions yourself. Ask yourself those questions because the employer are likely to ask you these questions. So what are your strengths and weaknesses as a housekeeper? How do you handle difficulty or challenging situations as a housekeeper? Do you ensure quality and consistency in your housekeeping work? How do you deal with guest complaints or requests? How do you work with other housekeeping staffs and hotel or hospitality team members? How do you balance speed and efficiency with attention to details in housekeeping work? Then the follow-up, that you should follow up with the employer after the interview by sending a thank you email or letter, such as, "Thank you so much for having me today. I look forward for your responses." You express your appreciation for the opportunity. You also restate your interest and qualification for the job. Go on and ask about the next step in the hiring process. So this is also to keep you in track on what should you expect. You will be expecting some responses, right? So this has to go a long way of knowing what else to expect. Are you coming for another interview, or should you also go ahead to apply to numerous places? Like, what are the necessary things that are required of you to do after this particular interview? So by follow up, you will be in the mind of the employer, but don't budge them. Like, don't spam them with lots of emails. So I will go forward to list some of the caregiver jobs and their salary and the city they are in Canada, and the province territories they are in Canada. So let's do that. So some of the best housekeepers job with visa sponsorship available in 2024 that you can apply for: Homestead Land Holdings Limited, Oakville. They pay about $34, 69,000, and to $43,925 per year. Then Charles Mark Fenton Associates Incorporate. They pay about $65,000 to $80,000 a year. Then Mint Maid, they pay about $18 to $25,000 per hour. Then Ontario Surgical Incorporate, they pay about $20 per hour. Then A Plus Cleaning Ontario, they pay $18 to $22 per hour. Spa Clean Incorporate New Market, they pay about $17 to $80 per hour. Mary Maid London, they pay about $18 to $20 per hour. Splendid Cleaning, they pay about $18 to $21 per hour. Flex Property Ottawa, they pay about $45,000 to $50 per year. LMIA Kitchener, $22 to $25 per an hour. Highline Mushrooms, $17 per hour. Urban Mob Ottawa, $18 per 24 hours per hour. Radisson Hotel Sudbury, Greater Sudbury, they pay about $55,000 to $60,000 per year. Prepped and Polish Cleaning Co., they pay about $20 per month. $20 per hour. Dublin Mooring, they pay about $31,408 to $39,770 per year. Molly Maid Kitchener, Waterloo, they pay about $16 to $20 per hour. Charles McPherson Associates Incorporate, they pay about $65,000 per year to $80 per year. National R&D Incorporate Cambridge, they pay about $17 to $22 per hour. Brahme Retire Center, they pay about $21 to, let's say, $22 per hour. BPE Group, they pay about $17 to $19 per hour. Bruce Anchor Motel, they pay about $23 per hour. The Postmark Hotel, New Market, they pay about 40,544 to $51,338 per year. King's University College, London, they pay about $45,445 per year. Lion Guard Corporation, they pay about $20 per hour. The Four Hotel and Inn in Niagara Falls, they pay about $16 to $18 per hour. Adele Express Toronto, they pay about $22 per hour. Blue Door, they pay about $19 per hour. Nature and Outdoor Tourism Ontario, Air Falls, they pay about $3,600 per month. So these are the available words in 2024. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Apply. If you want to see where you can apply, go through my channel. You will see videos on job banks and how you can get these employers. Thank you guys for watching, and do not make it your last. It is.